I can barely feel anything. I think the numbing cream is really doing its job.
Hi guys, I'm here at LaserAway about to get a clear and brilliant. I'm so excited about this treatment. It's my first time, so you'll have to follow along. I'm really wanting to get clear and brilliant because I'm obsessed with all things skincare. I love doing all the preventative treatments in order to keep my skin fresh and glowy, so I'm so excited to see the results. This is my nurse Rachel, and we're about to get started. Woo! So the nurse applied the numbing cream for treatment because it helps take away any pain. I'm not too nervous about it. I can't wait to get started. It's gonna be great. All right, you ready?
Feel okay?
Oh yeah, I really am not feeling much.
Perfect.
Just finished the treatment and it honestly was so seamless and easy. I felt a slight tingling, but nothing intense. I think the numbing cream and my pain tolerance really helped. So I'm so excited to see the results. Thank you so much, LaserAway.
Ready to be a laser babe? 3 steps. 1, subscribe to our channel. 2, watch more amazing videos. And 3, schedule your free virtual consultation for any of our services by clicking the link below. Then we can be friends in real life.